Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download and install BlueStacks, an Android emulator on which you can use all of your Android apps and games easily. So let's get started. Open up your browser and type BlueStacks. Click on the official website of BlueStack. Download it from there. So here is the downloaded setup of BlueStack. Double click to open it. Click on Customize Installation. Browse the location where you want to install BlueStacks in. Now click on Install Now. As you can see, our BlueStack is successfully installed. Now you can delete the setup file and double click on BlueStacks to open it. It will take some time on the first boot. So here is the Google Play Store. You can download any app or game you want to play or install. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.